We don't celebrate Halloween where we're from, but this year we wanted to try it out. We transformed our studio from ordinary to spooky, and we're loving the new Halloween vibe. With spider webs, skulls, LED candles, and a ghost made from a white sheet and black paper eyes, it finally feels like Halloween. We're excited to get into the spirit. Before we dive in, make sure to stick around until the end of the video. We have some important announcements you won't want to miss. Thank you for the great response to our last studio video and free printables. That showed us a great way to connect with you. Building on that excitement, for Halloween, we made this. What is this, you ask? Well, it's a multi-purpose pumpkin with a witch hat. As a candy holder, it keeps treats organized for trick-or-treaters. It also works as a candle holder. We suggest LED candles for safety. The hat even fits your pets if you want to dress them up for Halloween. Best of all, making this pumpkin together is a fun, creative activity that encourages family bonding, teamwork, and hands-on learning. To bring this idea to life, we designed the pumpkin from the ground up, starting with sketches, moving to 3D software, then printing, and finally working on the finished product. Let us show you how we did it. Once the pumpkin had finished printing, we sanded everything down, especially the support part. Do note that the filament we use is kinda cheap, so the result isn't perfect, but that's not the point. After sanding and tidying up the print, we move on to painting, our favorite segment. We start with base colors. Orange for the pumpkin, purple for the hat, and gold for the hat band. Next, we add light shading. Mixing purple and black gives a darker shade for hat shadows. We do the same with the pumpkin, using orange and black to shade the crevices. We think that this could be a great project that you can involve your younger family members in. Kaleido ColorWorks is safe, odorless, non-toxic, and perfect for indoor use, making it ideal for family activities. Participating in this project helps children safely explore their creativity, learn basic crafting skills, and work alongside family members to achieve shared goals. With our Halloween promotion, you can get all the Halloween-related colors you need. We offer both 6-bottle and 12-bottle promo packs, or you can purchase colors individually for flexibility, depending on your project size. If you're looking for even more, we're also running a flash sale this Halloween. Many items will be available at amazing prices. And as always, you can download this file for free on our website in STL format to print at home. When you do, share your Halloween creations with us on social media by tagging us. Join our community, inspire others, and let's celebrate together. Everything mentioned is linked in the description below. So explore, download, and join in. Until next time, happy Halloween.